Sleeping, huh? Hey, thanks for coming.
Scientists got to track the experiment.
I wish your enzyme was the one that passed the test. But the one the kids are getting, it's the right one, right? I mean, it's going to help them.
Yeah, you guys have done everything humanly possible. We just have to see what the tests show.
You and I have had our differences. And I just want you to know something. I want you to know that...
Yeah.
Don't interrupt.
Okay.
I want you to know that I appreciate everything that you've done for Megs and Patrick, and I'm never going to forget it for the rest of my life.
Not gonna kiss me, is he?
I will restrain him.
Don't tempt me.
Guys? What's going on?
What's so funny? What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at?
Sugar. It's a sugar high. The enzyme's breaking down the sugar in their muscles.
The medicine's working?
Yeah.
John.
If I can reach the stars,
John, drive safe. Enjoy the ride.
pull one down for you.
Rock and roll.